got my new JVC camera. I'm just testing the video quality. Well, the strange thing about this camera is that I've been having trouble uploading some of the footage that I've recorded on my SD card and importing it onto my computer. Now, I've seen this before and it seems like you have to buy a video converter to help with this, but it just seems like a lot of work to me and not very good. And that's about the only downside to this camera for me. Other than that, the quality in HD is amazing. I mean it's only 2013 now, but for a 2012 camera it's really amazing.
Shut up, man. Shut up. Fuck off. Shut the door. Shut the door, idiot. Shut the door. You deaf? Stop filming.
That was my brother, who you just met. Oh.